If Opera is giving you a connection reset error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get websites loading again without guessing. This usually happens when Opera's built-in VPN or a proxy connection drops the session halfway through, which causes the website to reject the connection and show that reset message. We're going to start with the simplest fix first, then move through the most effective ones until the issue is solved. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick browser troubleshooting guides. Let's jump in. First, look at the top of Opera and find the VPN badge located directly to the left of the address bar. This little icon gives you access to Opera's built-in VPN controls. Click that badge to open the VPN panel. If the VPN is currently enabled, toggle the switch to off. Once you've turned it off, go back to the website that was failing and reload it. In many cases, this is enough to fix the connection reset error right away because the site is no longer dealing with the unstable VPN routes. If the website still refuses to load, the next step is to clear out any corrupted browser data that may be interfering with the connection. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens Opera's Clear Browsing Data menu. At the top, set the time range to all time so you remove everything that may be causing the problem, not just recent data. Then make sure you check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These are the two main items that can become outdated or broken and stop websites from loading correctly. Once those boxes are selected, click Clear Data and restart Opera. Let the browser fully restart, then try opening the website again. If you're still seeing the error after that, the next test is to open a private browsing window. Press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open a private window in Opera. This is a useful step because private mode disables most stored site data and often helps identify whether the problem is caused by cookies, cache, or an extension. Once the private window opens, attempt to load the problematic website there. If the site loads successfully in private mode, that's a strong sign that something in your regular browser profile is causing the issue. At that point, the most likely cause is one of your extensions. Go back to your normal Opera window and start turning off any extensions that could be causing trouble, especially VPN tools, ad blockers, security extensions, proxy-related add-ons, or anything that changes how websites connect. Disable them one by one, then reload the site after each change so you can identify the exact extension causing the connection reset error. If the website starts working after disabling a specific extension, you've found the culprit. You can keep it turned off or remove it completely if you don't need it. So, to recap, first turn off Opera's VPN, then clear cookies and cache, then test the site in a private window, and finally disable any problematic extensions if the site works there. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the Opera connection reset error and get your browsing back to normal. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want help with another Opera issue. Thanks for watching.